The next letter that we're going to do is letter C, this one over here. Welcome back to LaDenser Crochets, and if you're new here, you're welcome. We are on a new series where we're creating letters from A to Z. We've already done A and B, and today I'll be showing you how to do letter C. If you'd like to watch the tutorial on how to crochet letter A and B, check out the previous videos and make sure that you leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the C. Start with a slip knot and chain 12. So slip knot, chain 13, sorry, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Skip the first chain, then work into the second, place a single crochet into the second chain, then one single crochet into all the chains for a total of 12 single crochets. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and as we complete the 12th single crochet, I'll pick up the loop, then I'll bring this end to the top of the hook like this, then complete the single crochet. I want to work over that end in the next row, so chain 1 and turn to begin the next row. Start in the first stitch, this one. I hope you can see the stitches. That first single crochet, then the next one. We are working over the end to weave it in, so go on, work the 12 single crochets. So that's 2, we have 3, and so on. Then that's 12. We have the first 2 rows, chain 1 and turn, begin in the first stitch, single crochet, then the next one will be incomplete, and we're going to get the next color, the second color, which is the purple. I fold it like this, then in the middle of the fold, pick that loop and pull it through that stitch. Pull the gray to make sure that the stitch is not too loose. Then we're going to work with the purple, so pick the longer side of the purple, and into the next stitch we're going to do a single crochet. 1, we're working over these 2 ends, both the gray and the purple, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6th stitch will be incomplete, and we're going to drop the purple and pick up the gray. Then the last 4 stitches will be in gray, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and turn, begin with the 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one will be incomplete, so we drop the gray and pick the purple, pull through, carry the gray along, and we're going to do a total of 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 6th one will be incomplete, so drop the purple, pick the gray, complete the last 2 stitches with 1 single crochet each. This is the end of row 4, so we're going to chain 1 and turn to begin row 5. We're going to work 1, 2, And next we're going to work over the purple. So in the third, make sure that you're working over the purple stitch, the purple yarn, that is. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, and the seventh one will be incomplete. So drop the gray and pick the purple, complete the stitch. Then the next stitch will be a single crochet in purple, and the next one will also be a single crochet in purple, but then we're going to drop that yarn and complete the single crochet with the gray. Then we're going to have a total of 3 single crochets with the gray at the end. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet into the second, drop the gray without completing the second, then pick up the purple and work over the gray. So we're going to have a single crochet with the purple in the next stitch, single crochet, then the next one will be incomplete, so we drop, then the next stitches will be in gray. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the end of row 6. Then chain 1 and turn to begin row 7. We're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th stitch will be incomplete. So we drop the gray and pick the purple, then we carry along the gray, complete the stitch with the purple, then work 1, and the second one we drop, then pick up gray. The last 2 stitches will have 1 single crochet each. That's row 7. To begin row 8, we chain 1 and turn, begin with a single crochet, then the next one is incomplete, drop the gray, pick the purple, complete with the purple, carry the gray along, work 1 single crochet, then the next one is incomplete, drop, pick gray, then the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 stitches are in gray. Then chain 1 and turn and work, is it 7 or 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's actually 8. So this is the 8th stitch. So we drop gray and pick up the purple. So this is row 9, and row 9 is the same as row 7. Then we do the purple 1, then the second one we drop and pick the gray, then complete 1 and 2. Chain 1 and turn. This is row 10, which is the same as row 8. So single crochet, then incomplete, pick the gray, pick the purple, then carry the gray along. The next stitch will have a single crochet in purple, then the next one will be an incomplete single crochet, drop the purple, pick the gray. Then the next 8 stitches will have 1 single crochet in gray. So we're going to alternate between row 7 and 8 until we have, let me confirm, so this is 1, 2, 3, until we have 6 rows remaining. So until we get to row 16, we'll be alternating between row 7 and row 8. So chain 1 and turn. This row and the previous row are the ones that we are repeating until we get to 16. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't complete, drop the gray, pick the purple, complete with the purple, carry the gray along, 1, 2, don't complete, then drop the purple and pick the gray. So keep going until you get to row 16. Chain 1, turn. This is the other row that we're repeating. 1 and the second we drop, then pick the purple, carry the gray along for 2 stitches. 1, the second one is incomplete. We complete it with gray, then 8 single crochets with the gray. I've worked up to row 17 instead of 16. So for row 18, we're going to chain 1 and turn. We'll work the first single crochet, then the second one, and then the third one will be incomplete. So we're going to pick the purple, then we'll work a single crochet, then the next one will be incomplete. So we drop the purple and pick up the gray. After we drop the purple in row 18, we're going to carry it along for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches. Then we're going to leave it and complete the last 2 single crochets like that. Then we're going to chain 1 and turn. After turning, we're going to work 1 and 2, then we drop the gray and pick up the purple, complete with it, then carry the gray along, and we're going to work 1, 2, 3, 4, here is 4, sorry, 4, 5, and 6. We'll not complete the 6th. We're going to drop and work a single crochet with the gray in the last stitches, which are 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1 and turn to begin row 20. We begin with a total of 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then drop the gray, pick the purple, then carry the gray along, work 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The 6th one should be incomplete, so that we drop the purple and pick the gray, and then we have the last 2 single crochets in gray, 1 and 2. Chain 1 and turn. Now the next 2 rows will be in gray, so 1 single crochet into each stitch in color gray. So when I get to the purple, I'll work over this end just to weave it in until we get to the last stitch of the purple. When I get there, I'll drop it, then continue with the gray to the end. Chain 1 and turn. Then the last row will be a row of gray alone. So 12 single crochets in color gray. At the end, we chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Pull it through and fasten. Then I'll cut off the purple ones because I've already weaved them in. This one and this one, they're both weaved in. So we have our C. Now we only need to weave in this end and we'll be done. So get the darning needle. We're going to pass it through these stitches until it's well hidden. Then just put your work in shape and trim that end off. So now that's our C. So now we've done C, we've done B, we've done A. So we are at A, B, C. If you've liked the previous videos, you've liked the video on C, comment letter D, leave a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed, and see you in the next video where we're going to do D.